Okay, running errands for La Ruta Maya, and knocking out certain things that I need to get done to just handle La Ruta Maya. All right, so I'm all jazzed up and excited because La Ruta Maya is upon us. Big up, King Man. All right. Hope I was slow on getting that one. So where the gentleman is standing with the broom, my hand is blotting out where the other gentleman with the orange moccasin just walked out. I have an appointment scheduled there to do some slight maintenance on my truck tomorrow. Okay, so I'm doing a lot of backpedaling and backtracking. So I'm taking a shortcut right now, cutting through the yard right next to the Baptist church. This is the roof. And I'm taking this little alleyway, a little picado. I'm gonna pop out or come out on Joseph Andrews Drive, and this will take me to a backup plan or an emergency plan for those who find themselves in a little pickle like what I found myself in right now. I'm doing this because I think it's valuable information and it will give you assistance if you need this as well. Okay, so the reason why I'm heading over here is because there's a car rental over here. Alright, so this is their auto service that you can come on rental, and it's on Joseph Andrews Boulevard. So now, bear with me, I don't really know all the names of the street, but I'm taking another little side street. They have two different price range of automobiles available to the general public. You need a valid driver's license, cash, and they do require and request a credit card, but you can work out a deal if you don't have credit card. So this is another little side street, and this is like Joseph Andrews is roughly 9 minutes, 10 minutes max walk from downtown. It's and I'm like welcome center. If you're coming from Midas and those other places, it's a little bit, require a little bit more time, and that's just you traveling gingerly. All right, lunchtime. Students are heading home for lunch. Schools here don't provide cafeteria, or they don't have lunch in-house, so they have to make their way home. So I'm currently in the twin town of San Ignacio and Santa Elena. As I've stated, I'm like roughly about 10 minutes away from the downtown area. Well, actually, I'm just trying to kind of max it out or stretching it. It's not that long. Someone lost their keys. Ooh, there's a little home project going on over there. Okay, some shortcuts after shortcuts. Puts me out right here. If you take this route and you go all the way down, you can come out in front of the Anglican Church, but we're not going down that route, because, and then you have Acropolis as a landmark and St. Martin Credit Union. We're going down this route because there's an extra special treat at the quarterway from hitting the bottom of this street. So that location would be roughly maybe 7 minutes from the downtown area, which would be the welcome center. Landmark, that's the Catholic roof right there, where my fingernail is kind of blotting out. Those palms in front of it. So I'm hiking to this location right here. This is another auto rental. So as you can see from here, I don't even think it's 5 minutes. It's like right down there. It's maybe 2 minutes walk. So this roof right there, that's the Burns Avenue down there. I think this is West Street, but I'm not 100% sure. You got the landmark right there is the Busman Arnold building. And then over here you have CODS. And then just beyond that on the other street, that's the police department. Like that design. Please note that we work for like, shares, and comments. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And back up to Joseph Andrews. I'm going for my backup now. They don't do off-site repair. You have to bring your car here. Heading back here to another little shop that I know. Well, there's two back here. I don't know if I'll make it to the second one. We'll see. I think it's back here. Yes, jackpot. It's this first one right here. It don't look like he's here. Look like his mechanic shop is not here anymore. Well, I guess I gotta take the hit and walk to this other mechanic shop. So it's just down the way here. There's a nice restaurant right over there. They're doing a little yard work. Okay. Oh yeah, the mechanic shop is right over there. Pulling up on it right now. Like the church have a little apartment, studio apartments out back, but more than definitely that's not for rent. Here, I hope I didn't get here at a bad time. So I chose to get here at the wrong time. So I got the phone number. So I won't have the information to let you know if they will do off-site repairs. That's the main reason why I came, to see if they would do off-site repairs. But this is the Espat Boys mechanic shop. There's sunflower. Was my grandmother's favorite. Out doing stuff, and most of them are non-Belizeans, so it's a mission